Hi, Trucks and Water here, and this is my job. What I use on my wheels, and especially on my paint and stuff after I get done cleaning my truck, is I use the Turtle Wax Ice Premium Spray Detailer. It safely cleans dirt, dust, and water spots off your vehicle. Gives it that streak-free look and shine to make sure your wheels look the same as the rest of your truck, because man, that draws out the shine. But first of all, I want to start out, guys, thank you all so much for the unbelievable amount of support when I released the vlog. If you haven't seen it yet, talk will be popping up now. I'm unveiling the wheels to you all. I mean, the unrivaled support of, it's just unreal, guys. I cannot be any more thankful for each and every single one of you for supporting the channel and stuff like that. It's been absolutely nuts, but thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all so much for that. This is also the last video in the giveaway, so make sure you comment down below. You have to subscribe and comment. Make sure you comment down below a unique comment so my random name generator can pick out a name. That will be coming up in next week's video. But in this week's video, I want to go over a couple things I've seen pop up on my channel. A couple questions. One question is about Harper Tire. Guys, I do not recommend companies or brands or anything like that unless I've used them personally and I truly believe in what they're making, selling, servicing, what have you. Harper Tire is one of those companies. I'm telling you guys, they're looking for a storefront right now, like an actual store, and they are online and they're primarily through social media. They are the most professional. They will take you with every step of the process to get you what you want. I mean, that's just who they are. Colt, Tripp's dad. They're all truck enthusiasts. They all have builds going on, stuff like that. If you know who Tripp Harper is, you know he's got that bad Toyota Tacoma, and he's got that really bad, the OG Ram 1500 that's kind of started all for him. I highly recommend them, guys. They were cheaper than everyone I quoted. They're even cheaper than custom offsets, especially for the wheel package I've got. They are cheaper than custom offsets, and they do ship. So please give them a contact, and if you contact them about wheels and tires, make sure you tell them I sent you over, guys. It was an unreal. I was only there for basically 24 hours, but it was unreal, the hospitality they showed me and stuff like that. I probably will be visiting down there more now and all that kind of good stuff, and I know they're going to come up here and visit me, and it's just a great relationship that was brought from that. Another question I've been getting a lot is why I chose 420 Nittos. I've answered this before, but I'm going to answer it again. Guys, I know on the truck it has a Z71 off-road package. I know. But this truck was never abused, never had a trailer behind it, never hauled anything more than 250, 300 pounds in the bed. It was never ever used as a truck. So that's how I treat it. It's basically my daily driver, even though I don't drive it every day due to work and all that stuff. Anyways, it's just not my daily driver. It's not going to be abused, it's not going to be it's just not one of those things. So there's no point in me getting a mud tire or even an all-terrain if it's never ever going to see off-road, unless it absolutely has to be, if it's snowing out or stuff like that. That's just how I roll. If I want to have a mud toy, I'm going to buy a beat-up K10 that I can throw a big block engine in or something with big 38-inch mud, super swampers or something. I'll go mudding in it. But this truck is not set up for that, and nor will it ever be. I love keeping stuff clean. When I had my dirt bikes, I probably washed them more than I ever really rode them, because I love keeping stuff clean. It's just either I have extreme OCD, which I'm pretty sure I do, or it's just burnt into my DNA. It's awesome like that. Another question again, why I went with the Cali Lean or the Tennessee Tilt or the Carolina Lean. In the video, guys, you gotta understand, I had all my tires in the back of the truck with some other stuff, and it was weighing down the back, so it was squatting the truck a little bit. If you can see right now on the truck, let's see here if I can do it right. It's got a very, very little bit of a tilt. It's not horrible whatsoever. Literally all that has to be fixed on it is I have to put like a 1-inch block in the rear, and then it'll be leveled out. But at the same time, I kind of like the way it sits right now. Doesn't drive obnoxiously, doesn't drive this, doesn't drive that. I don't like lean where it's like an 8-inch lift in the front and nothing in the rear. That's just my personal opinion. I know guys that run it. They're very nice guys. I've met them before. They're awesome. That's just not my style, but I support their build because their vision is their style. You know, and you just because you don't agree with someone's build doesn't mean you have to hate on it. It's just not your style. And that's fine. We all have different styles to make the world go around. That makes the world's interesting. I mean, it's just one of those things. But I'm probably going to do that in the future. I'm not sure 100% yet. But that's just kind of where I'm at right now. So you probably click on this video to see what's next going to be for the truck. Like, what's the next mods I'm going to throw at the truck. And I need your help when it comes to this kind of stuff. Should I modify the bed first? So this, this is the bed setup right now. I got my toolbox and all that. This came with the truck. So basically what I would change is this would be coming off. All that's off. The chrome running guard that's actually functional. This actually you can tie down stuff to. This would be coming off. I haven't decided if I'm taking the bed liner out yet or not because it's still in very, very good condition. And putting an in-mounted bed toolbox, so a blacked out bed toolbox that sits below the bed, so like down here, across the back of it, with a tonneau cover over it. So it'll give that clean, nice black look. That's what I'm going to do for the back. Or should I start with the front mods, the front clip, and do this is coming off, that's coming off, this is coming off the grill, new bumper, new grill. It's color matched to the paint of the truck, so we're gonna have like a color matched grill to that, and then new front bumper with a in-mounted LED light bar inside the bumper. Or if I can somehow manage it, I'm not sure if I can or not, somehow mount a light bar in the grill, like, or somehow along there. I don't know if I can do it. I don't think I can, but I'm trying to see what I can and can't do. But that's the kind of the goals for the truck. And of course, I'm going to go with 2015 style tow mirrors. These are going to come off. 2015 are going to be color matched to the truck with LED pods in the middle. And full working lights on the side and stuff, of course. But that's my envision for the truck. Comment down below what you think and on what I should run. If I should do the bed first or should do the front first. I think personally I'm gonna do the bed first. That way, because the front's not horrible. Like, yeah, the plastic's starting to like kind of crack a little bit and stuff like that, but it's not horrible. But if I do the bed first, that'll make the truck look a whole lot cleaner. And stuff like that. I mean, that's just kind of my thing. That's pretty much probably what I'm going to do first, but I do want to hear your all's opinion on it. So now comes the fun part. I have to reveal something. On the way down to Georgia to pick my wheels and tires, it rained and stormed very, very heavily, which I drove through a little bit of hail, which the body of the paint's fine. Nothing was damaged to the paint or the body. Everything's cool like that. Check the truck. But what I noticed down there is somehow a piece of hail hit directly right here. I don't know if you can see on the camera. Hopefully you can. And I got a crack in my windshield now. It's only in the first layer of it though, so it's not all the way through, but it is a crack in the windshield. I don't know if I want to replace the windshield yet or not, because this is one of the last Southern Trucks decals that were sold before he stopped doing his merchandise thing, and I don't know if I want to get rid of that yet or not, because it's so cool. Like, you have one of the last ones, but that's just kind of my thing, and I don't know yet. I can't decide, but that's kind of what happened with the truck and that. It stuff like that happens, guys. But yeah, there's a lot of stuff gonna come to the truck, guys. I'm planning on also eventually I'm gonna, like, if I can get a whole weekend off where I can be by myself, or not by myself, but can do it, sanding down the frame right here and then painting that a black color, at least this part right here that's exposed all the time. I haven't decided like how far I want to take it back as far as I can, but at least paint the exposed part underneath the truck, this part right here. You know, make it, you know, a black color, either a matte black or a gloss black. Comment down below, but I don't want to draw too much attention to this. I'll probably just do a matte black, but at least that bottom rail right there, so that way when you look at the truck kind of like that, you just see black right through there. But other than that, that's kind of what the plans for the truck are at the moment. I'm loving the new wheel setup, guys. I just absolutely love it. I can't stop looking at the truck. It turns heads everywhere it goes. I mean, like, that's what the whole truck's for. That's the reason why I did it, is so I can show it off and then help you all with your builds. And if you have any questions, guys, please message me. Like, I am more than 100% want to help you out with your all's builds and stuff like that. I mean, no, not everyone's into the 420 Netto look. So if you're not into it, you know, don't buy them. But that's just up to you. But I want to help you all out when it comes to this kind of stuff, guys. 'Cause I've been that kid, that 16, 17-year-old trying to get into the game. Or it's not really a game. I don't want to call it a game, because that means people are like jerks and cheat and stuff like that. Trying to get into this hobby and this, you know, this lifestyle that it's awesome. Like, I've met so many people through YouTube and through trucks and stuff that are really, really close friends of mine that I would have never met if I never had them. I'm sure you got some of those jerks out there that apparently think they're better than everyone else. And I don't care if you have a $3,000 truck or a $300,000 truck. We're all in it for the same reasons, guys. We all have different budgets. We all have different, you know, life to get somewhere. I mean, I've almost owned this truck for 3 years, and this took that long to get to where it's at now. And I'm being serious, guys. I know you all been waiting for it. I've been waiting a long time for it. Just a lot of stuff has come up for me preventing from doing this, and finally the stars lined up and it was the right time to do it. But I want to thank you all so much, the ones that stuck around with the channel for a long time. It's been a long time coming, guys, and I know it's been a long time coming. But that's kind of the game plan of the truck right now, guys. So if you have any comments, comment them down below, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. All of you have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.